Introducing the QRI-0935 INOX non-integral 3-way rough-in valve. This high-performance thermostatic valve features 3/4-inch NPT inlets, shutoff valves, 3 individual outlets, and a 5-function diverter. Notice the min and max lines on the mud guards. These lines guide the correct installation depth, ensuring that the valve sits precisely behind the finished wall. For a precise installation, measure the distance from the mounting wall to the min and max lines. This will help ensure that the finished wall remains within the correct depth range for seamless trim fit. Construct a solid backing for stability and attach the valve securely with the provided screws. A firm backing ensures lasting support and alignment. Clean and connect the cold water supply to the right inlet and the hot water supply to the left inlet. Integrate shutoff valves in easily accessible positions, such as behind an access panel, underneath a sink, or adjacent to the shower control. Now, connect the 3 outlets from volume control and diverter. Outlet 1 could be your primary shower head, outlet 2 a secondary feature like a hand shower, and outlet 3 a bath spout. The diverter and volume control allows you to operate each outlet individually. Perform a pressure test to ensure there are no leaks and that the water pressure meets the required PSI. Prepare for drywall and finished wall installation. Ensure the holes align closely with the mud guards to allow a snug trim fit, without any large voids. Leave the mud guards in place until you're ready for trim installation to protect the valve and maintain alignment. If the finished wall extends beyond the max line, you'll need an extension kit, which is sold separately. Now, carefully remove the mud guards to prepare for trim installation. It's time for trim installation. Begin by placing the gaskets. Position the trim rings over the gaskets. Thread the sleeves for the diverter and volume controls, and slide the sleeve for the rough-in valve into place. Align the main trim pieces for the diverter, volume controls, and rough-in valve, then secure them by tightening the screws with an Allen key. Notice the red marking on anti-scald, showing that the valve comes in preset for vertical installation, as the trim liver should align with red marking. For horizontal installation, clip out the anti-scald with a screwdriver, rotate it 90 degrees, and reinsert it. Now, the trim liver should be in line with red marking accordingly. Once the trim is installed, turn on the water supply and test the system. Check for leaks, verify proper flow from all outlets and ensure functionality of temperature control.